Are you having any of these issues with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto? The phone won't connect to the feature. The feature disconnects. A device not found or device not compatible message appears. Control of the feature is erratic. If so, here are a few things you can do yourself that might fix the issue. First, check if the phone has the latest operating software. If it doesn't, download the latest version, then see if that takes care of the issue. Many times it does. Also, try restarting your phone. Next, check your phone's cable. For Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to work right, the phone's cable must be original equipment and in good condition. If the cable isn't original equipment or it's showing signs of fraying, wear, or damage, you should replace it. And speaking of non-original equipment, did you know there are counterfeit or uncertified Apple Lightning accessories on the market? To learn more about this, go to Apple's website at www.apple.com. Search counterfeit, then select Identify Counterfeit or Uncertified Lightning Connector Accessories. So, if you run into any of these issues, give these tips a try. They could fix things and save you a trip to your dealer. Of course, if you're not having any luck with this, your local Acura dealer is always ready and willing to help.